Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here is your makeup assignment. Remember, for PE, each of your assignments is worth 10 points a day for the most part, so this assignment is going to be worth 20 points. You can use this to make up any assignment. You can use this to make up points, but please make sure you are following the directions, which we are going to go over now. So I'm going to upload this as a PDF document, which means you need to open it in a different program. I prefer that you use DocHub. You can use Call Me if you want, but again, I prefer DocHub. What you're going to do, you're going to save it. You got to change it. Instead of copy of, you're going to write your name, and then you have to save it, or download it, save it, whatever. Make sure you have your copy, just in case something happens. It's always best to download it to your Chromebook or computer, which looks like this. Download to your computer, if you download it to your drive, you will always have a copy, so you don't have to go to this assignment every time, which might be a good idea. So, what you're going to do is you're going to click this A, and you're going to start writing. You're going to put your name, you're going to put your teacher. Please put your period number. Whatever period you are, 2 through 7, please tell me your period. So, the instructions. Read a current event article concerning health, athletics, or sports from a magazine, newspaper, or the internet. If you write me a book report, I'm going to tell you that that is amazing. However, unfortunately, I will not give you credit. Your assignment is on a current event article concerning health, athletics, or sports. There are probably hundreds, if not thousands, of current event articles right now that have to do with health, at least, or at least maybe athletics, college sports, etc., especially in the state of what's going on right now. This is a very hot topic, so there should not be any trouble finding something for you to use. So you're going to read your article, and again, one page is worth 20 points. So you need to tell me the author of the article, you need to tell me the title of the article, and you need to tell me if you used a magazine or a newspaper, or you're going to put the web address if you used a web address. Here. So again, if you just start typing, that is where the text box will come up. Okay? So you're going to first write me a 5 to 10 sentence summary of the article that you read. What did you read? Tell me about it. Give me all the information. Pretend like you were writing the back of a book or the back of a movie. What is the most important information? After that, in this area, you are going to write me a 5 to 10 sentence opinion commenting on what you thought about the article. Was it good? Was it bad? Do you agree? Do you disagree? Are you inspired? Did it make you feel some type of way? Anything like that, okay? Your opinion on the article. Now, you will see that it says 5 to 10 sentences in both spots. If you do not write me 5 to 10 sentences, you will not get the full credit on this assignment. What's going to happen is you're going to upload it to that assignment. When you upload it, I will comment that I received it, and then I will take it down. That way you can keep uploading more. You can upload as many as you want, but as soon as you put your paper in, I am going to go, or not as soon as, but when you put this paper in, I will go in and enter your 20 points toward any missing assignment. So I will just start filling in all those orange spaces on Aries. Okay, so your missing assignments will become not missing, and you no longer have to worry about all those orange spaces. If you're using this for a makeup assignment, say you're missing a lot of points, I will go in and I will change the points for your missing assignments. Please remember, you need to upload this. If you scroll all the way down, it is in online materials called PE Makeup Assignment. So you're going to view it, and again, it's here. You're going to open it again with either Call Me or I prefer DocHub. Try not to use Google Docs. You can, but this is what happens when you open it in Google Docs. The formatting gets all messed up. It doesn't work. It's just a little funky. Okay, so you can if you want. Again, I prefer DocHub. If you have any questions, please write a comment. Let me know, but get started on this as soon as you can. Remember, I am no longer accepting missing work from August, but you can use this to make up points and make up assignments. Email me or call me if you have any questions, and I hope you have a wonderful day.